So at Cayuga, we're producing about 1.7 billion pounds of milk a year. That's being processed at the plants and all over the world.
So 70% of all of our milk is within 25 miles of Cayuga Milk Ingredients, which is where we're sitting.
We're at Aurora Ridge right now. We're about 20 minutes from the milk plant. We produce milk here, cool it down. It goes onto a truck and gets hauled only 20 minutes to where it's processed at the plant.
That creates a very unique situation economically, but also environmentally. We're doing a lot of nutrition production on a very small footprint, and that is a big strategic advantage for our company.
Our processing plant is very unique, and I think having one of the most high quality proteins, so that's been a real innovation and a benefit to our processing because those ingredients go into other things, and so our processors have access to higher quality and better ingredients.
And I think that all boils down to we want to feed the world in the most efficient way possible.
It's hard to think that, me as an individual has made some impact, but I'm bilingual where I can help workers in Spanish as well. And there are a few of us in the state that do similar things, and we do work together and we collaborate. So I think it helps across the state.